Most people are afraid of AI. They think it's going to replace them, take their job, take their voice, take their identity. But what if I told you there's a personality type that was quietly built for this exact moment, and not just built to survive it, built to dominate it? INFJs, not because we move faster, but because we see deeper. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why INFJs are uniquely positioned for this AI shift, and how I actually use tools like HeyGen to turn that into something scalable. And if you stay with me, you're going to start seeing yourself differently. Because this is not about AI replacing you, this is about AI revealing you. Section 1. INFJs don't process the world the way most people do. We don't just hear words, we hear what's underneath them. We don't just see actions, we see patterns. We don't just react, we predict. And most of our life, that feels like a burden. Overthinking, overanalyzing, feeling too much, seeing too much. But in an AI-driven world, those same traits become leverage because AI is fast. But it is not intuitive. AI can generate, but it cannot discern. That part is still you. Let me make this practical, because this is where most people stay abstract. INFJs don't win by doing more. We win by going deeper. We take one idea and we understand it better than everyone else. Then we use AI to scale that depth. That's the shift. And this is where people start to miss it, right? Because if you don't understand this part, everything else you do with AI will feel off. Section 2, why most people fail with AI. Let's talk about why most AI avatars look off. It's not HeyGen. It's not the software, it's the person behind it. People rush the process, bad lighting, bad audio, flat delivery, no intention. Then they say, AI doesn't look real. No, you didn't show up real. Because here's the truth, AI does not create identity, it reflects it. If you show up tired, it feels tired. If you show up rushed, it feels rushed. If you show up robotic, you built a robot. Don't just record the script. Imagine you're talking to someone who is struggling, who is trying to figure this out, who feels behind, and speak to them. Because that care in your voice, that patience, that presence, that is what the AI clones, not just your tone, but your intention. And this is the part most tutorials will never tell you, because they're focused on features, not human behavior. Section 3, how I actually use HeyGen daily. Now let me show you how I actually use this. Because I don't use HeyGen as a shortcut, I use it as a system. This is my simple workflow. Step 1, I think, not scroll, not react. I sit with one idea. Step 2, I write it the way I would say it to someone I care about. Step 3, I run it through HeyGen. Now here's the shift. I'm not creating from scratch every time. I'm extending something that already exists. And that's how you stay consistent without burning out. And this is where INFJs have an advantage most people don't realize. We already think in systems. Section 4, multiple identities. You are not one version of yourself. You are professional, creative, reflective, analytical. And HeyGen allows you to express all of them. Different looks, different tones, different environments. This is the part no one is talking about. AI is not replacing creators, it's exposing them. If you don't know who you are, AI will amplify that confusion. If your message isn't clear, AI will scale that noise. But if you are intentional, if you understand how you think, AI becomes a multiplier. And INFJs, when we stop overthinking and start building systems, we become dangerous. If you want to learn how to actually build your avatar step by step, watch my HeyGen tutorial next. If you want deeper systems, join the membership. And if you want what I don't share publicly, get on the email list, because the real growth doesn't happen on the algorithm, it happens off of it. And if you haven't watched the first video yet, go back and watch it, because that's where this all starts.